Today we're making Mickey wreaths. First we glue the leaves. Now we're gonna take the flower heads off.
Whoa!
Then we sharpen the dowel. Now it's time to make the Mickey ears. Now we have a Mickey pumpkin. Time to attach the Mickey pumpkin to the wreath. We're gonna put Mickey's face on. We're gonna print and cut the template. Now we're gonna cut it out. Now we glue Mickey's face on. Option 1 with number foam. This is option 2 with paint. Now it's time to paint. Whoa. Now we're done with the Mickey wreath. There, it's dried, and look. Subscribe. Bye bye.